Alright, YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Frontier, Michigan. We're back here at the tailgate again for another unboxing video. So let's get into it and see what we got. Alright, we got our Z1 package, as usual. Once again, Jen's at home, so no cameraman today, just me. So, box is cut open. Set them aside. Paper. Red envelope. So, let me know that. What we want is in the red baggie. So we got in the red baggie more decals. I have tons of these already. Set them over there. The destruction card, which I also don't need because I've already got the instructions downloaded. And the ECU Tech tuner. So yeah, ordered the tuner, got the level 1 tune, told them what the truck had on it, and it's to bring together the exhaust and intake modifications. I've already got the ECU Tech app on my phone. Realistically, it's this little dongle here. Pretty much all it is. Now, I don't know yet if they've got my tune ready or not, because I ordered this, I think, Thursday? Something like that. They might have my tune ready. I'll have to log into the system to find out. So, yeah. That'll bring everything together. Tune, exhaust, intake, all that. I'll have to get the dongle plugged into the truck, set up, see if they got my tune ready or not. If they do, we'll have maybe a video on that. I've also decided that in the meantime, since the IRS is playing games with taking my tax payments, they took the first one, but they didn't take the last one for last month, even though I have set up a payment installment plan with them. When I buy my tires, I'm only going to be buying the stock size, because the longer they play games, the later in the year it's going to be before I can lift the truck. And now, at this point, by the time I get everything, it's going to be winter, and I won't be able to lift anyway. But I do need better tires than what the truck has. I'm still going to go with the Cooper Strongholds. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get the OEM size. I'm going to test these tires, because there's no proper review of the Cooper Strongholds on YouTube. So I'm going to get those tires, I'm going to test them, and if they work out how I hope, then when I go to lift the truck, I will get the larger version of them that I actually want. Now it sucks But I was kind of hoping to be done. We're just about done with the IRS at this point, but since they have not taken payments like they should be, they're delaying the process. It is what it is. I have the money in my bank account right now for them to take the payments. They just haven't done so. So I'm gonna get the Cooper Strongholds in a 265/17, which is the OE size. I'm going to test them and give everybody a chance to see them on the truck itself. And as a 265, I can get those with white lettering, which, you know, people are hit and miss on the tire lettering. Some like it, some don't. I do like white lettering. If they don't meet my expectations, then I'll go with my second tire choice, and that is the General ATXs. I've always had good luck with Generals in the past, so it is what it is. I'm going to give the Coopers a chance. I'm going to spend my own money and test this, because quite frankly, I need a better tire for the winter, and these Hancocks barely cut it last winter. They barely got by. So that's going to be that. As you can tell, my voice is still a little out of it. I am feeling a lot better. Sinuses haven't been nowhere near as bad lately. But my voice took it pretty hard over the last couple weeks. Absolutely tore me up. But I am on the way up, so my voice sounds better now than it did, say, a week ago. That sucks. I'm kind of hoping to have it lifted by, you know, August, September, but that don't seem like it's going to be happening. I will get this thing lifted. I am bound and determined to do so. I just have to delay my plans a little bit. But anyway, this has been a Frontier, Michigan video. Unboxed from the tailgate. It is an absolutely gorgeous day outside right now. Not a cloud in the sky. It is 66 degrees. We have a light breeze. You know what? Just get out and explore. Go have fun. Be safe about it. And I'll catch you next time on Frontier, Michigan.